Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp live location not updating problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now first, open your Play Store, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp. Now updated WhatsApp. Finally WhatsApp app is updated. Now go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage. Now tap on only clear cache. Now scroll down and turn on location. Tap on agree. Now open your WhatsApp. Now select any person. Now tap on location. Tap on continue. Tap on share live location. Tap on continue. Now tap on send. And finally I have solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.